Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are in the lovely little village, Warminster, and we're going to do a pub challenge and see what the Wetherspoons Hotel is like. So come along with us, let's see one. So we're now walking along Warminster High Street. It's really, really lovely. So you've got a few bakeries, you've got a Costa so you can get your coffee, some little shops as well, just down here. Really, really pretty. A lot of the buildings are from the 18th and 19th century. And there's our stop, the Bar Farms.
Are you reggae man? Hey, Rasta is positive, a way of life. Jolly the way of your life to carry on.
So as you come in, you've got the doors that go to the pub, and you've also got straight ahead a lift that takes you to the first floor.
Yeah, we're fighting against the system.
So there are two doors to take you to the rooms. We're this side.
I'm not talk about politics. I'm not talk about socialists. I'm not talk about liberalists. I'm not talk about.
And this is our room 203. So as you come in, there is somewhere so that we can put our jackets. As you can see, we used it well. Somewhere to put your luggage. There was an iron as well, which was useful because we did bring a couple of T-shirts off Kirk's, which I knew would need ironing. So that's the first thing I checked for. The bed was actually really comfy. The room is on a slight slant, but you didn't really notice it. And it is an older building, so we was, you kind of expect that. But the bed was really, really comfy. We had extra cushions, as you can see in the cupboard as well. And we did use those, so that was really handy because I don't like not having a lot of cushions. And the bathroom was really, really clean. It looked like it just been sort of redone. Couldn't fault it. Lots of room in there, space. Again, towels were nice. There's a heated rail as well, which I enjoy, especially as it is a little bit colder. So those little touches were really nice. So we're going to give this one a solid 9 out of 10. Came with a hairdryer, which was also really useful. And we got complimentary snacks, loads of options with the chocolate, teas, coffees, and the kettle was spotless, always a bonus. So check out what we paid. Now we're in Bristol, a city famous for its harbours, street art and music scene. And a fun fact, Bristol helped shape the UK's reggae and sound system culture long before it hit the charts. So here we are at the Greene King Channing's Hotel. Let's see Wagwan. Here's our room 23. So yeah, there's a little area to put your luggage. It comes with an iron, hairdryer, basics for sort of complimentary tea and coffee. Little area to do your makeup. There is some damage there for the mirror and same for the lights. TV. So yeah, you got everything you need. This is a family room, so we do have an extra bed. The beds were okay, not as comfy. Again, not the best. Got a little chair as well. And then you got the bathroom. Again, no faults. Everything was clean and in good order. So the rating I'll give this one is a 6 out of 10, just because personally it wasn't as good as the previous in terms of quality and comfortability. Good location though, and having the pub was good. So yeah, check out the prices. So which one do you prefer? Comment below.